Commander 9 now, please report back to ITS cockpit.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Should we be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. Line up and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear.
No need for safety here. It'll be a smooth ride. Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Okay, guys. All right, recruits, are we ready?
Airspeed sensor. Thank you, 9-Up. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. The engines are hot.
I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pucara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
This way. This way.
Follow me, real flag. This should go smoothly if you could all follow directions. Everyone remember your colors. You. Why is there a satellite on your head?
You will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
You're needed on the bridge.
Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
For your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, it goes to the prisoner.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Priority alert. Detection to eliminated.
There they are. Fire! Right! No, not up! I said now!
There's nowhere to run. escaped. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Okay, you're clear. Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, scan for his pod beacon. Lieutenant Beck here. Beck, you're on. I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo!